I got this on Christmas. Started up here. Welcome back to the lab. Today we're in the countdown to number 8, and this one's actually a really good one. It was actually the second video I ever did on this little channel here, and it was called the double bacon grilled cheese. Basically it had 2 grilled cheese buns, and then the grilled cheese with Beyond Meat chicken and a whole lot of cheese, and of course bacon. So you guys can definitely check out the link below down there, and you'll see that video if you want. It's actually the second most viewed video on my whole channel, so if you haven't seen it, go ahead and click it. Since we already made that video, just like always, we're just gonna make something new, something quick. I made this before once, and it was quoted as, well, quoted by me, as the most greasiest quesadilla. Basically what we're doing is called the sweet dilla. It's going to be with this new corn chicken vegan cutlet thingies that we're going to cut up into little cubes. Then we got onion. We're going to caramelize and grill some onions with it. And we're going to throw this Thai sweet chili sauce. So it's like a little spicy, a little sweet type of deal. And then of course we got Diet cheese. We're going to throw that in there. These guys are starting to make vegan stuff, so be on the lookout for that. Some of it's not all vegan, so just make sure you know if it's vegan or not. Just read the label, or if it has the big old green thing that says vegan on it. Alright guys, so we're gonna start cooking. Yeah, I'm gonna start cooking, and then I'm gonna eat this, and Mike's gonna drop the beat, and hopefully I won't forget to send the tagline this time. Anyways, it's January, so we need some grease in our lives right now, because I know you guys have been, you know, starving yourselves. Mike, drop the beat. Let's go. So this is the sweet dilla, caramelized onions, some Thai sweet chili sauce, and some chicken, all with some cheese sprinkled, melted all over the place. Alright guys, so that's it for this week's video. It's called the Sweet Dilla. And make sure you tune in next week, man. We're going down to number 7. And it's a doozy, I'm going to tell you. It's one of my favorites. And as always, this is Unhealthy Vegan reminding you, the only cheat meal is a salad, because you cheat yourself out of a meal. I need to repeat it, man. This is January. I see you guys eating your salads. The only cheat meal is a salad, because you cheat yourself out of a meal. You ever wonder why I don't wear white shirts? I already started getting dirty. That's just from the peppermint stick from the intro. Ridiculous.